Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another math video here on the Copper Guide channel. Today we're going to be doing a area video. How to find the area of a triangle, a rectangle, and a square. In these challenging times, it can be very hard to learn remotely, and I'm here to help. So please watch my YouTube video and subscribe, as I will be doing much more videos, especially towards December. So, I'm going to be instructing you on a few formulas that can help you solve it a lot more. So in our first problem, we have a triangle, 2 inches and 6 inches. I've done it all in order, so don't worry. So as you can see, we're trying to find the area of this. To find an area of a triangle, remember, its area is base times the height over 2. So the base is basically the bottom of it. So in this case, the base is 6. And we're going to multiply it by the height, which is either this side or that side. In this case, we're using this side, which is 2 inches. So we're going to be multiplying that by 2. Next, we're going to go over 2. Okay? Next, we're going to multiply 6 times 2. That's 12 over 2. Next, we're going to divide 12 by 2, and that gives us 6. And our unit of measure is inches, so we're going to use inches. And remember, for any area problem, you're always going to be doing squared, because that's how area is. So our final answer is 6 inches squared. I'm going to let you guys do this on your own. I'm going to give you a few seconds, pause the video if you can, and continue on. Okay, so area is equal to base times height over 2. And our base, our top, is 5 times one of our sides of the triangle, either this side or that side. We're using the right side, so that's 9. And we're going to do over 2. That gives us 45 over 2. And you guys might see here that you're going to have to use it in decimal form. So, I'll help you guys. We're going to divide this out. 2 goes into 4 2 times. We're going to go 0. We're going to do some division. If you learned it yet, 2 into 5 is 2. 4. And we have 1 left over. We can't do that. So, we're going to go into decimal form, and I'm going to add a 0. And that gives us 5. So, our final answer is 22.5. And remember, you always want to have your unit of measure. It is meters squared. Remember, it's 2. That is always our final answer. Perfect. We just solved 2 problems. Pretty easy, right? It's not that hard. Nothing to it. Next, we're going to do rectangles. So, for rectangles, its area is equal to length times width. This is the formula for a rectangle. L times width. So, the length is the height, and the width is this. So you can always think of the length as the height and the width as the base, but it's not that same. So the length in this case is 7. So we're going to be doing 7, and then we have our height, which is 7. Wait, no, I got it wrong. It's 6. Perfect. Good thing you guys got me. 7 times 6. And if you multiply that out, you get 42. But where's our unit of measure? There is none. In this case, you're going to use units. Units is a regular measure if you don't have anything. And of course, you're going to do squared. And this is our final answer. Now I'm going to let you go to number 4. I'm going to let you do this by yourself, and I'll give you some time. Pause the video, please. Okay, so we're going to use our same formula. Area is equal to length times width. Our length is 4. 4 times our width, which is 9. 9. In that case, we get 36. And we're going to use our unit of measure, which is feet. Feet squared. Perfect. If you got that right, give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, number 5. We're solving for squares. You're like, where's my second unit of measure? Don't worry. Squares are exactly equal. They all add up to right angles. This is a right angle. This is a right angle. This is a right angle. And this is a right angle. They're all right angles. So we're fine. So think of it as this. I know it looks hard and intriguing, but we'll get it through. The formula is area is equal to side squared. So you're just going to pick a side that they gave you. I gave you side number 9. You're just going to put side as 9. 9 squared. That seems pretty easy, right? Exactly. That's all we have to do. 9 times 9. And then 9 times 9 is 81. Perfect. We solved it. And our unit of measure is inches. And squared, of course, because we can't forget that. Perfect. Nice job. Now I'm going to let you do number 6 on your own. Pause the video. I hope nobody got tricked by that. Okay, so we're going to use our formula. Area is side squared. You may be thinking to multiply this out, I just gave you an extra one. It's still 8. So we're going to do 8 squared. I could be doing 8, 8, 8, 8. It would still be 8 squared. Because area, we're only finding 2. We're not finding 4. And if we were trying to multiply these guys out, we would get 64. So if you do 8 squared, it is 64. But this is the real formula in math and you have to follow it. And as you can see, they don't give us a unit as measure. So what we're going to do is we're going to just do units squared. Perfect. We did all of them, and you did such a fabulous job. Give yourself a pat on the back. You got all of them right. If you have any questions, write down in the description. See you guys later on Cardboard Guy. Peace out.